In this video, we will show you how to replace your dual horn assembly on this Ford Flex. This will be located behind this area and will access it from under the vehicle. Let's get into it. All right, friends, to gain access to the horn, make your way safely underneath the driver's side front of the vehicle. In between the bumper cover and the subframe of the vehicle is where you're going to gain access to the horn assembly. Let's make our way up inside this area and disconnect the electrical connector. Now for this, there is one locking tab which is facing towards the front. So I'll just reach around this side, grab onto that, give it a squeeze, and disconnect that electrical connector. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, take a peek. If you see any funny colors, that's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. Set that aside. Now once you have that disconnected, move along to the one 8mm headed mounting bolt, which is located in between the two horns. We can remove that mounting bolt. Now we can reach up in here, grab onto that horn assembly, and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new horn assembly. Have a look at the back side. You'll find along the top area of the bracket a small hook, and that's located directly above the mounting bolt hole. Let's take this and put it in position, making sure that we put the hook into the corresponding hole and aligning the mounting bolt hole at the same time. Once you feel as though you have it in place, continue on with that mounting bolt. We'll start it in the hole by hand so we're sure we are not cross-threading it into place. Now that we have that started in, we can go ahead and snug it up. You want to make sure this is completely secured up against the body of the vehicle. Right there is where it feels as though that bolt bottomed out. Just take it a little bit further to make sure it's secure. Grab that horn assembly, give it a wiggle. Now we can connect in that horn assembly. Press it in, listen for a click, and give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured. That feels good. Okay, friends, we fully installed our dual horn assembly. At this point, carefully make your way out from underneath the vehicle and test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.